Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select your language in the Snapwire application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left, and then click on the settings button, and then click on the select language button. And as you can see, these are the languages that you can choose from in this application. So just click on whichever you want to have. I am going to stick with English, but you can choose whichever you prefer. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.